Mascotchi as an interactive, playful activity for the IT University. The main idea behind the project was to establish a collective effort for the different students and hopefully teachers to keep this new mascot healthy and happy. Mascotchi works as a traditional Tamagotchi that has several features that needs nurturing. Mascotchi has three main features. The first one is petting, which is done by gently stroking the Mascotchi. Petting increases the happiness of the Mascotchi. Happiness is an important thing to this little guy. In fact, it's crucial for his survival. Second feature is feeding. This is something very basic, but it has to be done to keep Mascotchi going. He needs a lot of food, so keeping him well fed is not an easy job. It has to be a collective effort. The last feature is fetch, which increases the happiness of the Mascotchi by a larger margin than just petting it. Fetching, however, requires more of the user. One has to throw a stick and wait for the Mascotchi to bring it back. If the person leaves before he gets it back, he's gonna be really disappointed and therefore sad.